In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email in Gmail easy way. By the end, you'll feel confident removing messages you don't need, keeping your inbox clean and focused. Start by opening your web browser and going to Gmail. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account and password. A quick tip: if you use multiple Google accounts, double-check you're in the right inbox by glancing at the profile icon in the top right. For faster access next time, consider bookmarking Gmail so it's one click away. Once Gmail is open, you'll see your inbox with a list of messages. To work with a specific email, click it to open. This brings up the message view with the sender details, the content, and a toolbar across the top. That toolbar is where the key controls live, including the delete option. With the email open, look for the trash can icon in the top toolbar. Clicking that sends the message to the trash, which Gmail may label as bin in some regions. This doesn't remove it forever right away. Gmail keeps deleted emails in trash for about 30 days, giving you time to recover something if you change your mind. Immediately after deleting, you'll often see an undo prompt at the bottom of the screen. If you deleted by mistake, click undo to bring the email right back to the inbox. Back in your inbox, you can also delete directly from the list without fully opening a message. Hover over an email and you'll see a small trash can appear. Selecting that moves it to trash in one click. This is handy when you already know a message isn't needed. If your inbox groups messages by conversation, deleting one conversation removes the whole thread, which helps clear space quickly. You can repeat this same process with any other message. Simply return to your inbox, choose a different email, open it to review if needed, and use the trash can icon to remove it. If you're doing a quick tidy-up, scanning subject lines and senders can help you decide what to open and what to delete from the list view, saving a bit of time. A couple of final tips. Keep an eye on the left sidebar for the trash folder if you ever need to verify something was deleted or restore it within the 30-day window. And remember, once Gmail permanently removes items from trash, they can't be recovered. That's it, the easy, reliable way to delete emails in Gmail. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.